So this is my business profile on Google with 4.9 star reviews and 52 reviews total. So you can see this is a very long way to go, and per month I think I'm having over 500 and something views every month. So if you want to create your business account like this, you want your account to be on Google like this and everything, you can reach out to me as well. So I'll be talking about the optimization of your website on Google. So let me go down then for us to see. Then you can see I'm having the link, my LinkedIn profile. I'm having, then this is my website profile. You can see it here. Bajumo Digitals. It's already showing on Google. It's well optimized on Google. All right. So for those that want to create their personal website, you want to create your own website. So there was a video. I started this video. This is not the first one, but I will continue from this. So the first thing you need to do to create your personal website, a very professional website, well optimized professional website, to do that, we have free website that you can do with free hosting and free domain. But those ones are not fully optimized. That's just the truth. They are not fully optimized, and you are limited to some certain things. You can prove me wrong with that. Although there are some free website you can do with Canva. You can create website with Canva, get response. You can create a free website with get response. You can create free website with Google Sites. I've created a website for a customer with Google Site. Let me show you the website. Let me show you how it looks like. It's not as if it's not perfect. It's perfect, but there are many limitations to this website. Let me show you the one I did. So you can see how professional this website looks. It even have display. You can see the light display. This is a website I did for a customer, for my own customer. Is an electrical engineering website which I did. You can see the how many pages I added, home page, package, service, and I did it with a free hosting and free domain. I can actually upload my domain there. But for me doing this, that I did this, I know what I'm telling you. So before I did this for a customer, I told the customer, okay, this is it. And you might not have the money to start, buying, subscribing for domain every year, because you have to subscribe for domain and hosting every year. So you will not have the money doing this. I just, okay, let me just use a free stuff and free. He said, okay, no wala. So I charged him his amount, then he paid me my money. So you can see the way the website looks. You can see everything. If you want me to do this, if you want me to do a tutorial on how I did it, let me know. It's very simple. Just go to site.google or Google Sites. So you can use Google Sites to do this. So this is the WordPress website. So if you compare the WordPress website, and I will drop the two link for you to compare the two websites, so you see the one you want to go for. If you don't have that amount of money and you don't want to be subscribing every year, you can reach out to me. I will drop my phone number on the description section, so you can reach out to me, or you go to the comment section. I'll also drop my Instagram, and so you can maybe chat me on Instagram also. So you can check the differences between the two websites. It's almost the same thing, but there is an exception to this website. I will teach you how I did this. Just let me explain so that you will know the one to pick when you are doing this. So when it comes to optimization, the site Google Sites is, I won't really recommend it, because this is Google optimized. Unless you want to buy your domain name. If you want to buy domain name, you can also input your domain. You can buy domain and link that Google site to your domain. Do you get? You can also do that as well, buying domain. So if you want to buy domain and hosting, I will drop a link to get as cheap as 1,200 naira in naira. So that is not up to, I'm not sure that is up to $2 for those that are using dollar account. That is not up to $2. So I will drop it so you can buy domain as cheap as that. Then an hosting, if you want to get hosting as well. But it's already hosted on Google site, so you don't need to buy any hosting. What you're only buying is Google. You are only buying the domain. Then you link it with your Google site. Do you get? But if you are doing this WordPress website, you'll be buying the hosting and you'll be buying the domain. So let me just go through how I did this. So what I did was, if you go to your dashboard over here, if you come to your dashboard, I'm supposed to be using my laptop, but I just prefer using my phone. For those that want to, you can actually use your phone to build the website, but you can use your phone to do one or two things, but you can't use it fully to build your website. So the first thing I did after buying my hosting and domain, then I uploaded WordPress on this my domain. So then I input the SSL, that's the security, that padlock on there. how I did that. So there is a video I made on how I bought the domain, and how I impute or uploaded the WordPress. So you can watch the video in the description section. I'll drop the video there, or you just look at the link above to search for the video. So the first thing you need to do is plugins go to plugins, but there are some settings you are going to do on your what's it called, on your site before you start. So I will talk about that later. So if you look at this plugin, but before the plugin, first go to appearance first before the plugin. Go to appearance. Then once you get to appearance, come to themes. The first one, themes. So we are going to upload a theme. So when you upload the theme we are going to be uploading is called Astra. So this is the theme over here. This theme here is called Astra. This theme. So once you upload this theme, then you come to your so you come to plugins. You come to plugins, then you install another plugin called starter plugins. Starter plugin. So that's the plugin we are going to be using. Starter plugin. Let me show you the plugin. So you come down here. Just let me show you the name then. So this is the starter plugin that you are going to install. Once you install this plugin has website template that you can use. Instead of designing your website from scratch, you can actually use a template and just design your website within, let me say, maximally within 24 hours, or if you are so much fast, let's say 2 days. 2 days you are done with your website. Then the disadvantages of using Google Sites is that you might not have templates. You will not have templates. The template they are very they are not they are not up to they are not up to standard compared to the template I use. My own website is actually more than their own template. The website I did there is more than their template. So after installing the starter template, then you still come to appearance, then you come to where they wrote the starter template. So you click on starter template, then you can see the template that you can use for your website. If you are into e-commerce, you are buying and selling, you are a freelancer, you want to create an affiliate marketing website, you can see the template here. Just wait for it to load. So you can search for the name of the template that you want, then you look for it. So you see that they are free template and they are premium template. So let me assume that I like this first one or this second one. Let me choose this DNK whatsoever. So let me assume that this is the one. You click on it, then it will be previewed for you. You can preview the way the website looks like. So it's taking me time to load. I'm supposed to have preview it. So when you come here, if you like the website, then you can upload, but you just leave that side. Then you click on skip and continue. So after you click on skip and continue, then you pick your color code, the color, your color. We have different color. Then you pick the font that you want to be on the entire website. You pick your font, then you click on continue. Once you do this, then you click on this button downward. Then it's going to download all the old plugin that you need to build the website. It's going to download the plugin. So once this have been done, then you can now start building your website. So let me go back. So once you've done that, you've installed it will take like 2 minutes or so for the template to be installed on your website. Then your entire website is going to change. Then you come to page to see all the old pages that template has. You get. So after you see all the pages, you can actually, what you need to do is you can rename the page. In case you don't want to, you can decide to rename it. Then you come to after seeing the page, you can come to appearance again. Come to your appearance. This is quite so much. So if you want me to do the website for you, you can come to me. Just come to menu. If you want to rename your page and other things like that, come to menu. Then when you get to menu, you can what? You can add, if you let me assume that you've added a new page and you want it to display on your website and it's not displaying, then these are the pages I have here. You will just click on the page name. Once you click on the page name, it would okay, I'm not supposed to touch that side. So once you click on the page name, you are going to add it here. So you click on save menu so that it's going to be saved to the one that should be displayed on your website. Do you get? So you can rename your website. You can rename it and you can drag it the way you want. But I won't be doing that. I've even dragged this one on. So then you still come to appearance to add your logo You come to appearance, then you come to customization. You come to customization. So when you get to customization, you'll be able to add your logo and other things like that. So when you come to customization, you can see I'm having here Gbajumo Digital. So once you come to customization, you go to site identity to add your logo to it. So you come to site identity. So guys, I won't be talking. This thing is actually very deep. It's deeper than this. So I won't be talking too long, but I won't want you to waste your data as well. So you click on change image. This one is the one that will be seen when people search for your website. If you search for this my website, this is the logo you'll be seeing. So do you get? So this one, we have two logos that you are going to put. The one people will see when they search for your website, and the one that will be displayed on your website itself. Those are the two logos you are going to add. You can be the same logo. Do you get? So you click on site title and logo settings. So you click on that. So you can see this is logo. So you click on change logo. So once you change logo, then you click on publish up there. Then you pick the size of the logo that you want. You pick the size, and once you are done, you click on publish up here. Do you get? So I won't be doing that. Let me go back to. All right. So this is the website now. This is it. Then if you want to edit it, you click on what? Edit with what? Elementor. If you want to edit, you click on edit with Elementor. So this pop-up, if you look at this pop-up here, I did this with Canva. If you want me to help you to build your website, you can reach out to me. Then if you have any issue, just go to the comment section and drop your issue. Or if you have a suggestion, you can drop it as well. Your suggestion is actually welcomed. So you can see the interface of. I will drop the website so that you can check it for yourself. You can check how it looks like, and if you want to go for it, you can go for it. You can see these animations, and there were a lot of animations though. So if this is how you can build, this is just a preview of the way I build the website. So coming from the long way of buying domain, installing the WordPress, and building the website finally, I'm not yet done. I'm not yet through with it. Then if you check, I actually added some things as well. You can see this one I added here. I downloaded a plugin to be able to import my testimonials. These are genuine testimonials from my Google account. These are testimonials from my Google account. Then not only that, if you search for my if you search for Gbajumo Digitals on Google, you are going to see that my website is actually well optimized. This is Gbajumo Digitals. If you see, this is my business profile on Google. Then not only that, so you can. Do you get? So the difference between that, the Google site, the one I talked about, the free one, and the WordPress one. Your WordPress will be fully optimized on Google. You can see Gbajumo Digitals. Then you can see that tagline that says Gbajumo Digital is a digital marketing agency that specializes in. So this is what I'm going to show. This is how it's going to show on Google that it is well optimized. So if you want to build your website, or you want to build a free website without domain and without hosting, just like this other one here. So just like this one, with a free hosting and free domain, is an electrical and engineering website that I built for one of my clients. So I Square Tech. You can reach out to me on this. You can reach out to me. I'll help you to do it. So I will drop my phone number there. You can reach out to me on WhatsApp. And if you have any suggestion, you can also drop your suggestion. Make sure you like the video and also subscribe. And please make sure you like and subscribe.